Welcome to 59 Belleville Street, a stunning all-brick extended semi-detached home with 3 bedrooms and 4 washrooms situated on a tree-lined street within the prestigious Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood of Toronto. A large corner property that has been professionally landscaped, this Balfour model also has an all-brick detached single-car laneway garage and showcases impeccable appointments throughout its 3 levels of interior living space. The solid metal front door has a scrolled wrought iron insert and high-end hardware, and opens into the main level's elegantly combined living and dining rooms. A modern crystal chandelier and diffused natural light through a north-facing window, along with a neutral decor, accentuate the airy openness of these entertaining spaces that share the opulent finish of new Mercier premium maple hardwood flooring. Honed marble flooring and designer crystal light fixtures are featured in both the foyer and powder room, the powder room also having a new Toto Aquas4 one-piece toilet. The neutral decor is carried over into the kitchen and its sitting area, which has the added brightness of a contemporary chandelier, California shutters on its window and the walkout to access the detached garage, as well as a gas fireplace surrounded by a custom stone-cast mantel, spreading cozy warmth throughout. Solid cherry wood cabinetry sets the tone of modern elegance seen within the kitchen's working space, which also showcases a high-end Jenn-Air fridge freezer, built-in microwave, and convection oven with smooth surface cooktop, as well as a top-of-the-line Miele crystal dishwasher. The finishing touches here including a marble-tiled backsplash, premium 3 cm thick Taj Mahal granite countertops, a stainless steel double undermount sink, and seating at the peninsula. The staircase to the second level has been newly refinished with a dark matte satin finish, with the upgraded banister carried all the way to the 3rd level. Beautiful Jataba hardwood flooring flows throughout the 2nd level, which features a spacious family media room with a modern linear light fixture, California shutters on the windows, an office area, and a walkout onto a covered balcony. Off the hallway to the bedroom is a linen closet, as well as a laundry area with a new top-of-the-line large drum LG washer and a Samsung dryer, across from which is a 4-piece washroom with honed marble flooring, a new upgraded vanity with a Brizo premium faucet, Kohler deep rectangular premium sink, and a quartzite counter, as well as a new Toto Aquas4 one-piece toilet. While the bedroom showcases a designer crystal light fixture, light diffusing privacy shades on the windows, and space for a sitting area. The 3rd level has the coziness of broadloom throughout, California shutters on most of the windows, designer light fixtures, and 2 spacious bedrooms, both with walk-in closets and ensuite washrooms. The 2nd bedroom's wall niche, which has a north-facing window, makes a lovely sitting area, and its washroom showcases black metal finishes, upgraded taps and lighting, an LED cosmetic mirror, and a frameless glass shower door. The master suite has luxury full wall finishes, a custom California closet with 2 built-in dressers, custom shelves, and extensive hanging space, as well as a walkout onto a private covered balcony. The luxuriously appointed spa washroom showcases walls with a designer neutral faux finish, silk shades on the windows, fill-rich gold satin brass taps, a vanity with a quartzite counter, and a custom designer glass Linka sink, extended in size and having a gold metal leaf accent, crema marfil marble flooring and tub surround, as well as a new porcelain tiled shower with Kohler rainhead and sliding handheld showers, a frameless glass door, and a raised ceiling. Other exceptional features of this home include a new roof with architectural shingles, a new Carrier Infinity top-of-the-line furnace, air conditioner, and air filtration, a new top-of-the-line beam central vacuum with attachments, a security system, as well as on-trend hardware and finishes throughout. Enjoying a fantastic central location, this home is close to highly rated schools, and it's a short walk to Bob Acton Park, the Ted Reef Community Arena, Go and TTC service, as well as the shopping, restaurants, and entertainment of the nearby beach neighborhood. And access to the Don Valley Parkway is just a short drive away.